So we have 5 baking spatulas in this set. These are silicone spatulas. They come in all different shapes and sizes, curved ones like a spoon. These are more flat to get the edges. And then same with this one and these. And then also the handles are a little bit different in sizes, which is nice if you're working with smaller bowls or larger bowls. This is kind of a smaller open bowl, I would say, so it's not as deep. So I like the smaller handle with this one. And I just wanted to compare it to this one that I have. I like that these don't actually have a crease here, and this part can't come, you know, on this one can come off. On these, that cannot come off. And sometimes on this style, you get food and stuff trapped in there, or what even happens when these come off is it gets moldy in the inside of these. So I really hate that about this style, and that is one thing that I absolutely love about this style. Not to mention, again, that the handle lengths are different sizes depending on what you're cooking and trying to do. Thanks for the brand for sending me this product to review.